I'm ABC13 meteorologist Alita Loresca with your Need to Know weather. We've got some low rain chances the next couple of days. Those rain chances fall at least at 20% or below, with temperature readings warming in the low to mid 80s. We get close to record-breaking warmth this afternoon with a high of 83 degrees and some strong winds coming in out of the south and east. Meanwhile, your attention is drawn to Saturday because thunderstorms become more likely, along with some periods of heavy rain. I've issued an ABC13 Weather Watch for the potential of strong and severe thunderstorms. Today, that severe weather threat stays mainly over the panhandle of Texas and up toward western parts of Oklahoma. That severe weather threat slowly starts to shift closer toward the hill country and into the northern parts of our viewing area. And then by Saturday, much of southeast Texas looking for a level 2 out of 5 severe weather threat as the instability increases with the front that'll be pushing closer toward Interstate 10, eventually stalling out. And there are signs that we may be dealing with a line of heavy rain and thunderstorms that could also produce a slight chance for some street ponding. So by Friday morning, we should be waking up to a mostly dry morning. There could be a few spotty showers. Heading into the afternoon, early evening hours, we'll be monitoring a line of showers and storms forming out over Interstate 35. It does look like that line could progress into some of our northern counties. Otherwise, overnight into Saturday morning, we could be dealing with some rain, mainly north of Interstate 10. That first boundary does look like it dissipates, doesn't quite make it toward the coastline. And then you can see a solid line of rain and thunderstorms approach the Brazos Valley sometime around noontime on Saturday. And then that's the line that progresses into Houston around 3-4 o'clock Saturday afternoon, and then shifting down along the coastline. That line of heavy rain and thunderstorms could produce some large hail, the potential for some damaging winds. And out ahead of that line, there are signs that there could be these individual cells that could rotate. So brief isolated tornado can't be ruled out as well during the afternoon on Saturday. Meanwhile, by Saturday evening, by 9 p.m., the majority of that line should be shifting offshore, but that boundary will be lingering over southeast Texas on Sunday, and that could lead to multiple rounds of rain that will linger through most of the day. Over the next 7 days, we've got a few opportunities for some heavy rain, or at least measurable rain, Saturday, Sunday, and then once again next Wednesday. So those rainfall totals will be stacking up across the area, exactly what we need to help soften or ease the drought. Saturday, that flood risk does increase from Interstate 10 to the north and then slowly begins to shift into Sunday for much of southeast Texas. For today, partly to mostly cloudy conditions with highs in the low to mid 80s. Can't rule out a brief isolated rain shower or two, but that rain chance today less than 20%. Once we get beyond the weekend, those unseasonably warm conditions will get cut off by next week's cold front as some drier, cooler conditions makes its way into southeast Texas by next Thursday. That's a look at your forecast for now. Thanks for watching.